First, you have to pick the blue color. And choose the round paintbrush. Adjust the size. Paint it. Next color until the darker color. Use a color make brush. Pick the color and brush it all over. Repeat the step for each color. Use the smudge with the same color mix brush and brush it all over. Make another layer to make the street blend. Use grid guidelines and draw the line. Don't forget about the headlamp. And also for the wires, you just have to draw it with the same brush. Make another layer to make birds. Use apricot brush with a small size. Draw as much as you want. Make another layer and take it under the lamp layer and choose a color for the clouds. You can use the 3D clouds too, and draw the clouds. Make a max layer for the clouds and set it into darken mode. And choose the darker color of the clouds. I use a painting brush presses of each brush. And brush all over it. And don't forget about the shadow and lighting for the clouds. It's very important. So I draw another cloud, so I have to repeat the steps from the first. And make sure you have to make another layer and mask it to the cloth layer and set it to soft white. And use the white color so you can make sure you can draw the lighting for the clouds. Make another layer to draw another element. In this video, I want to make a tree, so we have to choose the green color. I choose the abstract floral brush and draw it. You can adjust the size and the opacity. Let's draw it with a darker color. With the pressures of each brush, you can color for the shadow and lighting. Make another layer and mix it to the tree. Adjust the size and the opacity. For the shadow, you can use a darker color, and for lighting, you can choose with the lighter color. And don't forget to set the layer of the lighting to the soft light mode. Give another effect to the street lamp. You can brush for the lightning onto it with the max color over the lamp layer. I try to use the drawing axis to make a lighting for the street lamp. I decide to resize the tree, and don't forget about the shadow and lighting of the tree, so it can be more comparable. I decide to resize the tree, so don't forget about the shadow and lighting of the tree. Make another layer for the background or the sunset itself and mask it. Use the soft edge brush and adjust the size also for the opacity. You can draw the rays with the soft light mode. In a yellow color. So I make another layer. I decide to draw more birds. So I use the same brush. It's apricot brush. And then draw as much as you want.